Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Giuseppe, and what we're going to be doing today is starting a YouTube channel. We're going to use ChatGPT, we're going to use some Canva, and I'm going to walk you through kind of the basics on what you need to know and do in order to get like a simple YouTube channel up and running. Right. So what we're going to be doing today is I have a thing for watches. I like watches. I think they're super fun. And one of the things I want to do on the side here is create a fun side YouTube channel just talking about like watch releases, stuff that goes on with watches. I even have one here on my desk. I don't even wear it. I just keep it because I think it looks dope. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start really simply on ChatGPT. And all I typed in here was, hey, I want to start a YouTube channel about watches. I want you to help me think up some good names. From here, we have our first options, which are classic and sophisticated, horology room, tick and tell, wrist and whirl, secondhand society. That's kind of dope. Crown and case. Ooh, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay, so I like crown and case. So here's what we're going to do is I just want to see if it already exists. I don't think it does because I've been on here for a minute. So I'm going to crack open a YouTube and I'm just going to go, yeah, all pretty normal YouTube stuff. Yeah, there's no crown and case channels here. So I like it. Okay, yeah, a little bit of tooth stuff, I guess. Watch stuff, teeth talk. I don't think it's a thing. But I like crown and case. So look, we're about taking action. We're just going to like make stuff happen. It might not be, perfect right off the bat, but I think this is where we're going to get started and this is what we're going to be up to. So we're going to go with crown and case. All right, we have a deal. We have crown and case. So now we're going to go to YouTube. Go into here and then you're going to click on view all channels. If you already have some channels, I have some client channels and stuff. Right here, it says create channel. We're going to create that. We're just going to start right there. Keep things kind of simple. All right. So that didn't work out super well, but there are some others down here. About time I know is taken, dialed in. Watchaholic's cool. Let's check it. Oh my God. I mean, crown and case, we could go like, Oh, it's super. Okay. Did I spell it right? I did. Okay, we're doing it. We're up. Okay, so we are now in, it's created crown and case. So from here, now let's do a little thing and let's just make something happen. So I need a YouTube channel logo for crown and case. I'm pretty sure ChatGPT can just do this for you. Let's find out together. Okay, do I want it minimalist, vintage, ornate, luxury? Oh my God, I'm gonna try to spell this. Silhouette. Cool, give me one. Okay, it's gonna take a hot minute. In that time, let's go here. We're gonna go, let's jump in and let's go Canva templates, YouTube banner. Here we go. Okay. And let's grab one that we think is cool. This one looks cool. And it's not on the Pro. I like it. This is cool. Notify you when your image is ready. That's fine. Let's also do a little logo thing in the meantime. Canva template for logo. Those ones are circles. I like this one. Cool. Let's go. Crown and case. I don't know. We don't have that yet, but I'm just going to go done, right? I think that's great. Cool. Share, download. Yeah, let's just download that. That sounds great. We'll go here. Oh, great. Bring that into here. I like it. Let's tuck this in a little bit. Don't need the whole thing. Cool. I'm just going to like put it right here. I think that's cool. And then let's go back here. Are you ready? This is taking too long. It's doing something though. Right. Let's just start a fresh one and let's go. Give me a tagline for my YouTube channel about watches called Crown and Case. Yeah. I like timepieces talk. Timepieces talk and taste. That's fine. I think that's cool enough. Like and subscribe. Cool. Done. Share. Download. Great. Okay. We're making this happen. We can always come back. You can always change it. You can always make some edits. Like that's not a big deal here. I think a lot of people get hung up on just like trying to get start, myself included. So we're just going to we're going to plow through this and we're just going to make it happen. So let's go customize channel, continue. So we have the banner image that we created right here. Done. It looks a little weird. If something is super weird, we will work it out later. Picture, black and white case logo. Done. Great. Crown and case. Pronouns, none. Description. Okay, so let's grab some of this stuff. Watermark is just going to be our normal logo. Let's shrink this in what we can, just so it's like, as big as it can be. Great. Contact info, nothing yet. Links, nothing yet. Description. Yeah, let's get a description. So for this YouTube channel with tags. So tags are kind of like, they're kind of hashtags. They're just something that's going to help us be a little bit more findable. And that's the idea. So we got a logo, we got a banner, they're uploaded. We created a channel. And now we're going to do a channel description and suggested tags. So here's this. So let's go back to channel customization. Descriptions there. We'll add these tags just for making it happen. And I think that's it. Publish. Cool. Okay. Now upload defaults, visibility public, description. We're going to add the tags in automatically. Video language is always going to be in English. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dig into here and just cover whatever has to just be on here. You know what I mean? There's no point if we can get in here and just kind of fill out some of the basic information, then all the better. Comments on moderation basics. Great. Save that. Anything else we need in here? Permissions, channel keywords. Okay, so this keywords need to be comma separated. So that was what I was looking for. Make the suggested tags comma separated. Boom. There you go. Save. Okay. And here we have it. We're up. I don't know how long this took us. I don't think it was super long, but like we're cooking. This is it. Like if you wanted to get a YouTube channel started using ChatGPT and a bit of Canva, all free stuff. Everything I selected was free. Every question I asked was free. This is it, and you're good to go. So yeah, this was how to use it. If you are watching to the end, I want to say thank you. Thank you specifically. You exactly. Thank you so much. You are a legend. You're amazing. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you for watching to the end. And yeah, come back. We're going to do more stuff. We're just going to make a bunch of stuff happen and just kind of see what happens. And I think that's going to be the fun thing. I'm actually going to, after this, I'm going to do another video. We're going to try to like use AI and just launch a website and do some research on a website. I don't know if you've ever been interested in that. Sometimes there's bubbles that come up, but I'm going to go like, subscribe. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, thank you so much. See you guys later.